I decided CIA because I think CIA is the best school for me personally.
This is the top culinary school, and this is the place I want to be.
Well, the CIA has always been a dream school of mine, and I always knew I wanted to be a pastry chef, and this school is going to give me the tools I need to become just that, so that I can express my culture through my pastries.
I knew it was the perfect fit for me because I knew it was going to teach me everything that I needed to know to strive in the future.
The two of us set foot on campus this summer, and I just instantly saw my child morph into who I know she's going to be.
So once I got here, it was just like, this is so real, and I could actually be here.
Me and my mom used to pretend like we were on Food Network, and we would do competitions against each other.
And there are people I follow on YouTube who went here, and just their stories and what they learned here kind of inspired me, and I really thought this was the best place to get that education from.
Well, we looked at Johnson & Wales, maybe some hotel management programs at Cornell, but at the end of the day, after all the research, this is really the place I wanted to be.
The only place you applied?
Yeah.
There's a bunch of stuff I could do that a lot of other culinary schools don't have, so I really like that.
I have a lot of room to grow here.
I decided CIA because I have a strong passion towards food and trying different things, learning about different cultures.
This is the Harvard of culinary schools.
Everybody who's somebody
Yeah.
came here. This is the place.
I just feel secure, I know that I'm gonna walk out with a degree and a job in my field. I just feel very confident with CIA.
That's where you want your child to go. You want them to do their best, and so go to the best.
And just from being here and the experience that I've found as well, it seems like the perfect fit for me.
I decided to come to CIA because there's really nowhere better to go for food, really.